Alright, welcome back to the shop. Early on I said I might have some other plans for the shop. I have a plan for those. And when I said I had plans, Clay had a great idea. He did a great job painting the walls, but he reminded me that we had some sheets of aluminum and it might be nice to clad the walls with it because it's a shop and it's going to get messy. So what Clay's doing right now is he is cutting out the outlet covers so we can mount this right to the wall, and I think that's an outstanding idea. So anyway, I didn't mean to interrupt him, but here we are. I'll bring you back when we get some panels up. Well, alright, we made a little bit of progress. Clay had to run off, he had something else to do. So we did manage to get, Clay did, the vast majority of the work, but he did a great job cutting out the holes for the outlets. Those are sitting on the baseboard, so they're not quite touching the ground. They're about, I'd say, pretty close to 80 inches tall. This time, well, I've got this media blaster in the way now, but this isn't where the sandblaster is going to go. I've just got it sort of pushed over here to the corner now. Nothing is really where it's going to go. I have no idea what I'm doing yet, but I'm just sort of toying around, rolling things around, seeing what feels right. And again, that I've mentioned it before, having wheels on everything has been indispensable. Either, depending on how I edit this film, you either will see or have seen me move the air compressor. That air compressor weighs every bit of 1,000 pounds, and it moves really easily on good casters. It's the second set of casters that I've had on it. First set was a cheap set. I had another video where I'm not going to show you a close-up of my welds, but where I welded the wheels on this, and I can roll it around. And then the things that I can't put wheels on, I have this mini pallet jack. That's been just great. It was hard to see in the last video, but you can see how heavy that thing is. It's ruining this little cart. Anyway, that has been the sheet metal work, but then this is probably the most crucial bit of work that we did so far. We put a metal backsplash up by the slop sink because this wall was going to invariably turn black with all the grit and grime, and I think that's going to be a big help. So that worked out real good, and then having one of these industrial dispensers is really handy. So anyway, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hope you're having a good 4th of July.